Hi, today we are going to see demo for a theater movie booking app. So first open XAMPP control panel and start Apache and start MySQL. So there will be a start button. To see the backend MySQL, so click on the MySQL admin button. It will promote you to localhost backend server. So this is our backend server. So in the left hand side you can see the project TV theater booking. You can select the project tables. So to see the user login table, select the user login. So here you can able to see the registered users. So next open Android Studio. So in the left hand side you can see the project source code files inside the web folder. So go to the AVD manager and click on the AVD manager and select our Nexus device and click on the launch button. So it is already started. Okay, so once you start you can able to see the Android emulator. Okay, so our theater booking app has been loaded. So here we have two users, user and theater. So first we will start with the theater registration. You have to fill up the theater registration form. So enter the registration details. So it is registered successfully. So now go to the theater login. Enter the username and password. Login successfully. So here you can able to add the number of movie shows and you can able to view the booking details. To add a show, click on the create show and enter the film details. Like film name and language category and what is the time. So once you enter the basic details of the movie, you have to click on the submit. So it is created successfully. Whatever you create the shows, you can able to manage in update show. So you can able to see whatever you have created. If you want to update or delete the edited details, you can click on the update to edit the existing details. So here we are using different multiple theater login, so you can able to control your shows only. Okay, you can't edit the other show details. So if you get the booking from the user, you can able to view it. Now we move for the user module. So let's start with the user registration. Enter the basic user details. So we have registered successfully and enter the login details. Login successful. So user can able to manage two things on booking the show. So you have to select the show, and here you can able to search by means of your locality wise, film name wise. You can search by category wise. You can search by anything. Okay, once you decide to book and click on the book now, here you can enter the number of seats. It is booked successfully now. If you want to provide a feedback for the theater, you can provide the feedback. The feedback has been successfully submitted. So let's see the booking from the theater login. Go to the theater login now. Go to the booking module, view booking. So here you can able to see what is the user ID and show name, timing, and etc. So if you want, you can export it from the web view. So if you want to see the feedback for your theater, and you can able to see what is the feedback. Thanks for the watching the video. Thank you.